This video introduces how to import models and configure key parameters in ORCA Slicer software. First, importing the model. Click File, then Import. And select the first option to import an STL format model designed in IdealX. Note the export format must be STL. Then, open it. Next, after successful import, in the parameter settings panel on the bottom left, most parameters are pre-configured. However, adjustments may be needed based on individual materials and requirements. Under Filament, click the icon to open the Material Settings window. Scroll down to find Print Temperature, which controls the nozzle temperature, bed temperature. Here, you can set the first layer and other layers' temperatures according to your material. Now let's learn how to configure the infill settings. In the Strength section on the bottom right, locate Infill. The commonly used patterns are gyroid and rectilinear. Under the same fill structure, the latter is softer than the former. The same filling, the gyroid structure will be a little harder. Let's look at the gyroid structure. Choose gyroid. Choose slice. We can clearly see it. The insole layers are incomplete at this section. You can use the slider on the far right to navigate through different layers. The slider at the bottom allows you to inspect the axis alignment of each layer. If you want the insole to be a bit less dense, for sparse infill density, we generally recommend a value above 20%. Too low may cause printing failures. The maximum should not exceed 46%, though the exact value depends on individual needs. Set nozzle temperature. When preparing for printing, different layers may require different temperatures. Drag the far right slider to a node as shown in the video, about 40 or 30. Right-click the plus button and select Add Custom G-code. Enter the command to modify the temperature. Enter M104S. The M must be capitalized, followed by your desired temperature, typically 5 degrees Celsius lower. Then click OK to save. Repeat this for deeper layers, for example, 10 layers down. Similarly, enter M104S 215. Lower layers generally require higher temperatures. This fluctuation ensures better print quality for insoles. For example, starting temperature 220 degrees Celsius. Drag to 30 for 215 degrees Celsius. Drag to 40 for 210 degrees Celsius. Once this part is complete, the insole design is finished. Now, let us configure speed settings. First, enable the advanced option on the left panel, otherwise, the speed section will not be visible. Here are some speed options. Generally, the internal solid infill is 80. You can also adjust the speed as needed. If this parameter is commonly used, click the button to save. Save preset. After completing all parameter adjustments, click Slice Plate at the top right to preview. If there is no problem, click Slice Plate. Then select Export G-code file to save a G-code file to your desktop. For printing, there are two common methods: Transfer the file via USB. Use the printer as web interface.